guys, first of all, हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरीवन। सो आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। आज दिवाली से रिलेटेड वीडियो होने वाला है। तो हम लोग आज हैक्स के साथ साथ दिया पेंटिंग भी ट्राई करेंगे। सो वॉच इट टिल द एंड। हमारा फर्स्ट हैक है फ्लोटिंग कैंडल। फ्लोटिंग कैंडल को बनाने के लिए उन्होंने एक ग्लास में वाटर ऐड किया और उसके बाद ऑयल एंड कलर्स टू। ऑयल डालने के बाद हम कुछ स्टोन्स एंड डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स ऐड करेंगे। उसके बाद उन्होंने कॉटन लिया, कॉटन को उन्होंने ऑयल के ऊपर फ्लोट किया। सो फ्लोटिंग कैंडल तो हमारा बन चुका है। अभी देखते हैं ये कैंडल जल पाता है कि नहीं। Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! ये तो पटाखा की तरह जल रहा है। हमको पता था ऐसा कुछ होने वाला, इसीलिए मैंने कैंडल से जला लिया। Now I will do my own Diya painting. For Diya painting, we will need obviously Diyas. I have two big Diyas. One of the Diyas has been painted already. You can see that I have painted this Diya on my school artwork. Sir has given us project to do that, so I have to paint that Diya. Tell me how it is looking. So now let's paint our own new unique Diya. First I will mix blue color with white paint. For making a light shade of blue, I will apply the blue color throughout the whole Diya. Once our Diya is painted on the upper side, अभी हम इसे लोअर साइड से भी पेंट करेंगे अच्छी तरह से। Once that is done, now we will move forward for the detailings. Detailings के लिए हम सोचे कि कुछ यूनिक सा डिज़ाइन बनाए। So I thought of making a flower type design. So first of all, I will paint the petals. By mixing yellow, red and white, give us a nice peach color. I will apply the paint in the petals. Once that is also done, Once that is also done, now we will move more forward for the detailings.
Getting colder, and the end's a heartbeat away. I can feel the storms getting closer. That's when I remember what you said. I follow you through the night. I am here by your side. Promise you that I'll never let you go. So follow me through the night. I see fire in your eyes, and I know there's nothing we can do as long as I'm with you. As long as I'm with you. See the clouds, they are getting darker, and hope is far, far away. The whole world just keeps getting colder. That's when I remember what you said. I follow you through the night. I am here by your side. Promise you that I'll never let you go. So follow me through the night. I see fire in your eyes, and I know there's nothing we can do as long as I'm with you. 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 I follow you through the night. I am here by your side. Promise you.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out.